मलाई पर्खनुस् मलाई पर्खनुस् Wait for me Wait for me मलाई पर्खनुस् Wait for me कस्तो सुन्दर फोटो What a beautiful photo What a beautiful photo कस्तो सुन्दर फोटो What a beautiful photo What a beautiful photo कस्तो सुन्दर फोटो यो हजुरको लागि हो This is for you This is for you यो हजुरको लागि हो This is for you यो सबैको लागि हो This is for everyone This is for everyone यो सबैको लागि हो This is for everyone यो हेर्नुस् Look at this Look at this यो हेर्नुस् Look at this यो हेर्नुस् यो मेरो मात्र हो This is mine only This is mine only यो मेरो मात्र हो This is mine only लोभी नबन्नुस् Don't be greedy लोभी नबन्नुस् Don't be greedy लोभी नबन्नुस् Don't be greedy Don't be greedy उहाँबाट सिक्नुस् Learn from him Learn from him उहाँबाट सिक्नुस् Learn from him उहाँलाई सहयोग गर्नुस् Please help him Please help him उहाँलाई सहयोग गर्नुस् Please help him उहाँलाई धन्यवाद दिनुस् Thank him Thank him उहाँलाई धन्यवाद दिनुस् Thank him उहाँले हामीलाई धेरै सहयोग गर्नुभयो He helped us a lot He helped us a lot He helped us a lot मेरो छोरा सानो छ My son is a little My son is a little मेरो छोरा सानो छ My son is a little ऊ अझै पनि बोल्न सक्दैन He still cannot talk He still cannot talk ऊ अझै पनि बोल्न सक्दैन He cannot still talk ऊ निर्दोष छ He is innocent He is innocent ऊ निर्दोष छ He is innocent ऊ प्यारो छ He is cute He is cute ऊ प्यारो छ He is cute उसले छिट्टै सिक्नेछ He will learn soon He will learn soon He will learn soon ऊ छिट्टै सिक्नेछ उसलाई गाली नगर्नुस् Don't scold him Don't scold him उसलाई गाली नगर्नुस् Don't scold him यसले उसलाई चोट पुर्याउनेछ It will hurt him It will hurt him यसले उसलाई चोट पुर्याउनेछ It will hurt him उसँग नरम हुनुस् Be kind to him Be kind to him उसँग नरम हुनुस् Be kind to him राम्रो मान्छे बन्नुस् Be a good person Be a good person राम्रो मान्छे बन्नुस् Be a good person खिन्न नहुनुस् Don't be upset Don't be upset खिन्न नहुनुस् Don't be upset Don't cry now Don't cry now अब नरुनुस् Don't cry now म उनलाई याद गर्नेछु I will miss her I will miss her म उनलाई याद गर्नेछु I will miss her म उनलाई याद गर्नेछु म उनलाई बिर्सने छैन I won't forget her I won't forget her म उनलाई बिर्सने छैन I won't forget her यस्तो हुन्छ It happens It happens यस्तो हुन्छ It happens जीवन चलिरहन्छ Life goes on Life goes on जीवन चलिरहन्छ Life goes on आफ्नो ख्याल राख्नु Take care of yourself Take care of yourself आफ्नो ख्याल राख्नु Take care of yourself के भयो What happened What happened के भयो What happened मलाई सन्चो छैन I'm not feeling well I'm not feeling well मलाई सन्चो छैन I'm not feeling well अहिले के भयो What happened now What happened now? अहिले के भयो? What happened now? म घर जान चाहन्छु. I want to go home. I want to go home. म घर जान चाहन्छु. I want to go home. अगाडि हेर. Look ahead. Look ahead. Look ahead. अगाडि हेर. Look ahead. पछाडि हेर्नुहोस्. Look back. Look back. पछाडि हेर्नुहोस्. Look back. भित्र हेर्नुहोस्. Look inside. Look inside. भित्र हेर्नुहोस्. Look inside. बाहिर हेर्नुहोस्. Look outside. Look outside. बाहिर हेर्नुहोस्. Look outside. मलाई हेर्नुहोस्. Look at me. Look at me. मलाई हेर्नुहोस्. Look at me. Look at me. मलाई हेर्नुहोस्. उसलाई हेर्नुहोस्. Look at him. Look at him. उसलाई हेर्नुहोस्. Look at him. उहाँलाई हेर्नुहोस्. Look at her. Look at her. उहाँलाई हेर्नुहोस्. Look at her. यो सजिलो छ. It is easy. अथवा it's easy. यो सजिलो छ. It is easy. यो गाह्रो छ. It is difficult. It is difficult. अथवा it's difficult. It is difficult. यो गाह्रो छ. त्यो सही हो. That's right. That's right. त्यो सही हो. That's right. त्यो गलत छ. That's wrong. That is wrong अथवा that's wrong. त्यो गलत छ. That's wrong. हजुर सही हुनुहुन्छ. You are right. You are right. हजुर सही हुनुहुन्छ. You are right. हजुर ढिलो आउनुभयो. You came late. हजुर ढिलो आउनुभयो. You came late. हजुर ढिलो आउनुभयो. फर्केर जानुहोस्. Go back. Go back. फर्केर जानुहोस्. Go back. पसल बन्द छ. Shop is closed. Shop is closed. पसल बन्द छ. Shop is closed. भोलि फेरि आउनु होला. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. भोलि फेरि आउनु होला. Come back tomorrow. मसँग समय हुने छैन. I won't have time. I won't have time. मसँग समय हुने छैन. I won't have time. मेरो काम छ. I have work. I have work. मेरो काम छ. I have work. म धेरै व्यस्त छु. I am too busy. I am too busy. म धेरै व्यस्त छु. I am too busy.